Hi, this is homilychart. I'm Tanya. Today we're going to learn amount. What is amount? Amount means amount of shares traded within a certain time frame. That means a certain time frame. How much shares being traded. Amount has two colors, red color and green color. Red amount means red candle. Green amount means green candle. How to read amount? This is amount. Amount has two colors, green and red. If we see this is a green amount, that means that day it's green candle. If we see it's a red amount, that means that day it's a red candle. So the color of the amount is same as the candles. Besides the color, the second part we need to learn is the height. The height of the column stands for how much the amount is. If the column very high, that means amount big. If the column very short, that means amount small. If we move mouse to this column, then we will see that day the trading amount is 20.417 million ringgit. That day, this stock, 20.417 million ringgit, was traded, being bought, at the same time being sold. If we move mouse to this column, this red column, then we will know that day the trading amount is 9.398 million ringgit. That day, 9.398 million ringgit being bought. Meanwhile, 9.398 million ringgit being sold. So the total trading amount is 9.398 million ringgit. At the left side, we see this is AAMT5, AAMT10, and AAMT20. What's the meaning of this 5, 10, and 20? It's same as volume. This AAMT means average amount. This is average amount 5. This is average amount 10. This is average amount 20. So this day's single day, that day, this candle, this column means this column, the amount is 9.398 million ringgit. The AAMT5 means this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days together, the average amount is 9.253. And this 10 means 10 days average amount, and this 20 means 20 days average amount. So this is amount and average amount. Normally we use the comparison between amount and volume to do research on index. For example, we use KLCI. Here I select a region. For example, here this period. At the bottom of the index, there's often a small amount, but the volume is enlarged. We can compare two periods. Here, this period and this period. We find this is amount. This is a small amount, but at the same time, if we compare to volume, we find the volume is enlarged. So if we find there's a small amount but the volume is enlarged, high possible this is a bottom of index of KLCI. And also we can compare here. We compare this period to this period. We find the amount is small, but at the same time the volume is enlarged, very obviously enlarged. Here's bigger than here. Why? Because volume times price equals to amount. If we find amount is small but volume is very big, enlarged, that means price, average price very small. because of the dropping of index, big drop in index. So the average price of the stocks very small. The price is very cheap now. So even the volume is very big, enlarged, the amount is still very small. That means it's high possible bottom of index. After that, very beautiful uptrend. If we see this period, we'll find another sign. Here, if we see at the top of the index, there's often a small volume, but the amount is enlarged. We see if we compare this column to this column, we find this column, the amount is higher than this column, but the trading volume here, the volume is smaller than the previous volume. It's high possible the top of the index. After that, price drop, index drop. Because volume times price equals to amount. If we find amount is enlarged, but volume is smaller, that means price, the trading price is getting bigger. This situation often occurs at the top of the index. If we want to calculate the average price of a stock, daily average price, how to calculate? For example, we turn to this stock. This day, big drop, right? How can we know the average trading price? Is it half of the high and low? For example, is it half of the candle? For example, here is the average price. No, we need to use amount divided by volume. Why? Because volume times price equals to amount. So if we want to know what average price is that day, we need to use amount divided by volume. So this day we find the amount is 16.729 million ringgit, and the trading volume is 3.451 million shares. So we use this 16.729 divided by 3.451, then we'll get the answer. Okay, we use our calculator. This day 16.729. 16.729 divided by 3.451. We see that the average price is 4.84 ringgit. Where is 4.84? It's almost here. 4.84. This price is 4.84. It's very interesting, right? Because that day market open here. After market open, price drop to here, the lowest price, then close back here. But that day the average trading price is here, 4.84. It's not half of the candle. So we need to use amount divided by volume to calculate the average price. This average price is very important to the resistance and support. Today we learned amount. At the bottom of the index, there's often a small amount, but the volume is enlarged. And at the top of the index, there's often a small volume, but the amount is enlarged. If you want to know the average price, then we need to use amount divided by volume. If you want to learn more about stock knowledge, welcome follow my Telegram channel.